Right, what up guys? So the deposit button is now available for those that want to deposit on the exchange, or you can deposit in your wallet, Telegram wallet that I showed you earlier on in the previous video. So in this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can do this successfully so that you do not have any issues, and I'll be telling you things you need to avoid in order for you to get these tokens deposited in your exchange successfully. All right, so if you're interested, you have to pay attention to details in this video to the end. All right guys, so in order for you to be able to make your successful deposit of the dog token into your exchanges, all you need to do is to click on the deposit button, which is over here to exchanges. Then you can see we have exchange and we have a wallet in Telegram, so you have the option of using the two. Now if you're going to be using the wallet in Telegram, I think you need a ton coin to do that, and you also have to verify your account. Your account has to be verified. If you should make sure you use your wallet in Telegram if it is already verified. There are ways of verifying that with your own number. All right, so you should make sure you do that before you use it. All right, now the next one is also the exchanges. No, if you want to use exchanges, you have to make sure your account is verified on the exchanges. All right, so you have to make sure you've done your verifications on any exchange you're using. But over here, the exchanges that are allowed is OKX and Bybit. All right, so you have to make sure your accounts are verified with your governmental documents. All right, now the third one says non-custodial wallets, which is which is going to be like Dawnkeeper and so on, but these ones are going to be available after listing, which is going to be on the 20th. You will be able to do this. All right, if you're the type that want to use exchanges, this is for you. And I believe using the exchanges, you won't need to pay a gas fee. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure about that right now, but I believe using the exchanges, you won't need to pay any gas fee. All right, so let's click on exchanges. You have to click on it, then you select the continue button, which is down here. All right, now you can see we have only two exchanges, that is OKX and Bybit. Now, and in this video I will be using the Bybit because number one, I know most of my viewers are from Nigeria, and OKX is not available in Nigeria right now. So don't try using OKX. Even if you still have it on your mobile phone, don't try using OKX to do this. Make sure you go with Bybit, and I'll be showing you everything you need to know and how to do it with the Bybit. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is to click on the Bybit, then you click on send here. Then the next thing to do is it says here, do you have a Bybit account? Then you can, if you have a Bybit account already, you can click on yes. If it is no, then you have to create a new one. There's a link in the description you can use to create a new one. I told you guys earlier on. All right, so I'm going to click on yes, I have it. Now these are the three things you need from the Bybit account. You have to go and copy your UID. You paste it here in the first box. Then you have to copy your dog deposit address. Then you paste it in the second place. And the third one is the memo. You need the memo. Sometimes you can see they write comments, sometimes it is comment, they call it comment, sometimes they call it memo, and sometimes it could be just a code. All right, so we are going to do that right now. I'm going to go straight to my Bybit account, and I'm going to copy the UID, and I'll bring it here while I go back and copy the wallet address, and I bring it here and copy the memo. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to be doing this right now. Let's go quick. All right, so here we are in my Bybit account. So all you have to do in order for you to copy your UID is to click over here. You can see here, then you can see all right under your email address here in your profile, it is your UID. So you just have to click on it and copy it. After copying it, you go back to the dog app. So right over here, all we need to do is to paste it in this box. I'm going to paste mine quickly. Very good, it's right there. Then I'll have to go back again and copy the wallet address. In order for you to copy your wallet address, you just click on asset over here, then you click on deposit. Choose the last one, which is over here, we said deposit crypto. All right, you click on it, then over here, just in this box, just type dog, OG. All right, DOG, then search for it. All right, you can see it over here. This is the last one over here, dog over here. Then all you need to do is asking us to choose a chain, and it is for sure it is turn. So you just have to click on the turn. Then over here, okay, you just accept this. Very good. Now you can see this is it. You copy the wallet address from here. I'm going to copy this. Now you can see this is the memo I was talking about. All right, so let me copy it and go back. Then we paste the wallet address right in this box, okay, over here. Now we go and copy the memo. All right, now this is the memo over here, and it consists of 8 digits, of code. All right, so copy it. Very good. Now we are done. All we have to do now is to click on send. Okay, now confirm these details that you've put in there. All right, now like I said, you have to be sure that your account is verified. So it has been KYC. That was why they said KYC passed only. All right, so my account is already KYC, it is verified. All right, so all I need to do now is to click on confirm. All right, so deposit in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 20. You have to be expecting the deposit on 20th. Don't be in a rush, and I know some of you are going to come to the comment section or in my Telegram telling me that you have done the whole procedures and you still haven't seen your dog in your wallet. You just have to be calm, relax, and wait till they send these tokens into your wallet on 20th of August. All right, now for those who want to use the custodial wallet to claim their own tokens, you can wait till 20th of August, then you can claim it directly with your tokens, and you will need a ton coin as gas fee to do this. Now I said it earlier on in one of my previous videos, for those of you that won't be using the exchanges and you want to use the non-custodial wallet, there's a giveaway going on. You can check in the description, there's a link to my Telegram channel. That is where you can participate. So all you have to do is to go into the channel. You are going to comment on a particular post that I'm going to post about this giveaway. Then you are going to comment your Keeper wallet address below, and I'll be selecting randomly about 10 people. I'll be giving them this ton coin in order for them to participate and collect their dog token into their wallet. All right, so guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time watching my video, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.